1, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing There She Goes. Cool song by the Lass. There she goes. Okay, we're in standard tuning. We got not too many chords. Song is in G. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. Got C major. 1, 2, 3. Got A minor. 1, 2, 3. And then so that's for the verses and the chorus. For the bridge, we have an E minor as well. Okay, 1, 2. But the main part of the song is G, D, C, D, D, G, C, D, C, D, D, G, D, C, A minor, G, C, A minor, G. Okay, let's do that again. G, D, C, D, G, D, C, D, G, D, C, to A minor, G, and C, A minor, G, C, D, D. Okay, so that's the switching. And then for the strumming, we got up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, da, da, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, da, 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 da. Downstrokes on the D. Do the melody last because that's the hardest part. So okay, and then for the bridge it's changing a little bit. We got E minor to C. I break it down a little bit. E minor to C, and then D, G, C, D, G, D, C, to E minor. Then we're back to normal. Guys, let's do the bridge again. E minor. Okay, one more time breakdown. Write it down if you can't remember. It's a good thing to write everything down. E minor to C, E minor to C, and hit some D. G, hit, C, hit, G, hit, stay on C here. A minor, E minor, C, and back to this melody starts on D to G to A, and you're pedaling back to the D. Still pedaling back to the D note. Down, up. Okay, let's review everything before we end the lesson. So, yeah, we got the intro with the melody, okay? And that comes back in and out during the song. The verses: G, D, C, D, D, G, D, C, D, D, G, D, C, A minor, G, C, A minor, G, C, D, 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 D. That's all. And then for the bridge, E minor to G, E minor to G, and then you hit on D. G, C, C, D, C, D, D, G, D, D, stay on C here. A minor to E minor, C, D, D, and back to normal. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Cool song. Great on the acoustic. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic hits. Be safe. Thank you.